Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rama. Today we're going to talk about feminine hygiene tips I feel every girl should know. Yeah, I don't know about you, but for me, when someone compliments how I smell, my happiness is unmatched. Don't get me wrong, I like it when somebody tells me I look good, but I feel it in my soul when somebody tells me that I smell good. That is why I know I have to do this video and put all my girls on game. Let's get right into the video because I have a lot of things to talk about. Listen, before we get to the kitty cat, we have to talk about oral hygiene. Because, girl, if you have bad breath, forget about it. Forget about every other thing and fix it. Else, nobody wants to come close to you. So, with oral hygiene, I know everyone brushes their teeth every morning, but you have to make it a point to brush your teeth at night because that is when the party happens, when you have gone to bed. A tongue scraper has been the game changer in my routine. Let me tell you why you need a tongue scraper. You know, sometimes, not sometimes, mostly there's buildup of bacteria and dead cells on your tongue. And then a toothbrush will not just do justice to it. So you need a tongue scraper to go in every day and remove the bacteria and the dead cells. You know, sometimes your teeth is quite all right, but you still have bad breath. Why? Because of the bacteria on your tongue. So you need a tongue scraper in your oral hygiene routine. Also, you need an electric toothbrush. You know, mostly there are food particles stuck in between your teeth that your toothbrush cannot just remove everything. But then with this one, the vibration and all that, it goes in to make sure that your mouth is clean. However, you need to floss every night. This one will go in there and remove the stubborn ones that do not want to come out. Obviously, your toothbrush cannot do that for you. All the food particles that are stuck in between your teeth and along your gum lines, this one will do the job for you nicely. Yeah, flossing is very, very important. I didn't know that at a point in my life, but once I discovered the trick, you also need to incorporate a mouthwash in your oral hygiene routine because a mouthwash will kill the bacteria in your mouth, it will strengthen your teeth, and it will also prevent gum diseases. Okay, and sometimes when you eat spicy food, you just need to put in a mouthwash and rinse your mouth. Last oral hygiene tip is oil pulling. Oil pulling will make your teeth white and then it will pull out all the bacteria in your mouth as well. So someone will ask, how do you oil pull? Oil pulling is simple. You get coconut oil, you put like 2 spoons into your mouth and then for like 10 minutes and then you spit out. So you do this every day. If you can do it or 3 times a week and you're good, your teeth will be so white. Try it and let me know. And if you already know about oil pulling or you have tried it, let me know in the comment section. Now let's move on to the main show. Baby girl, when it comes to feminine hygiene, we grew up hearing that you don't have to use soap, you don't have to use soap, but many people do not understand this statement. They mean that do not use soap inside your vagina, but they didn't say that you shouldn't use soap on the outside. Okay, so you need to get a good feminine wash. What did I say? Get a good feminine wash that you'll be using for the area. I can recommend Honey Pot because I have used it before. I've also used Dove bar soap, the unscented ones. Okay, anything scented, do not take it close to the area. Also, another thing that has been a game changer in my feminine hygiene routine is lemons. Lemon or lime, they both do the work. So you cut it into two, you take out the juice and you put it in between your thigh. In between your thighs. Please, I did not say put it inside or near your kitty cat. In between your thighs. And if you like, on top of it, especially after your period, you just want the place to be fresh and the sweat and the heat and all of those things after your period. Like you just want to start afresh. So this has been working for me. So before you take your bath, you put the lemon in between your thighs, like wait for 5 minutes and then you bath. Okay, it will make sure that the place is fresh, like it's fresh all the time, because you guys know what lemons do. So the lemon also can go under your arms and under your breast because of the sweat. So That's something that I have to state. Additionally, I know most of us are used to shaving, but have you tried to wax the area before? Yes. Once I started to wax, I have not gone back. You know, the wax will exfoliate the area, it will remove the dead skin cells. Ladies, hear me out. If the hair on your kitty cat is thick, if it's 4C hair, you need to wax. Wax that bee. You know, when you wax, over time, the hair will be very thin and fine, like and so soft. And you know, you can go a long time without having to worry about hair because the waxing slows down the growth of the hair over there. Also, it will make the place so soft and fresh like baby parts because it exfoliates the place and then it removes the dead skin cells. So the more you wax, the more it exfoliates and then it removes the dead skin cells. Okay. And then talking about exfoliation, yes, I also exfoliate the area. I make my own sugar scrub. So you can use honey, sugar, and just wax the area. Usually do this before, like a day or two before you go and wax. Just use it to exfoliate the area. It will prevent ingrown hair and so many other things. Just try it. Another thing that I realized is that most people, after using number two, they don't wash. They only go in with a tissue and that's it. No, girl, you're doing it all wrong. You need to go in with the tissue and follow up with water. Wash the area. Huh? So when you do number two, you go in with the tissue, you wash, and then you use the tissue to just wipe the water off, and then you put on your panty and you're good to go. And talking about wiping, please wipe from front to back, not back to front. If you wipe from back to front, you're only pushing the bacteria from number two to your kitty cat, and you don't want that. So always make it a point to wipe from front to back. Okay. When it comes to underwear, I know we all love the lace panties because they are cute and sexy. But girl, save those ones for when you want to seduce him or for special occasions. But then your everyday underwear should be cotton breathable underwear or fabric. Let me put it that way. You know, allow the area to breathe. It's not every day that you have to wear lace panties. Okay, so talking about lace and cotton and all of that, check out Girl Hub. We have some amazing panties. Also, the way you care for your underwear play a huge role in your feminine hygiene. You need to wash your underwears alone. Don't mix it up with other clothes that are really dirty to wash. Wash your underwears alone, and if you can dry it in the sun, that's even better. Sun dry will help kill the bacteria that might be on your underwear. And also your bras, please wash your bras after 3 wears. Some people can go for months without washing their bras. Someone once asked me, she said she didn't even know we are supposed to wash bras. Yes, I sell intimate wears, so I get to talk about these things with my customers. She said she didn't know we had to wash it. Please, after 3 wears, that's the maximum you can go without washing your bras. Wash it. Okay. Another tip that I also think is helpful is to go to bed without underwear. Allow the area to breathe. Imagine wearing nose masks 24/7. You will not like it, right? So at night, when you're going to bed, you can, after you shower and all that, you let hair breathe. Like, do not wear any underwear. However, if you are not drinking cranberry juice, it's time to incorporate it into your diet because cranberry juice is known to help prevent UTIs. There are some compounds in cranberry juice that help with urinary tract infections. Okay, and the natural acidity of cranberry juice, it's known to help balance the pH levels of your kitty cat. So if you're not drinking cranberry juice, add it to your drugs. It's also known to encourage the growth of healthy bacteria that is good for the area. So these are some reasons why you have to add cranberry juice to your hygiene routine. I know it tastes some way, but trust me, the benefits far outweighs the taste. For my next tip, I know we've heard it all over the place and we are probably tired of it. But yes, you need to drink a lot of water because water will help flush out toxics and any other thing that's not supposed to be in your system out. And when you drink water, your urine even smells nice. Not nice because obviously it's urine, but it doesn't smell like urine. It's very clear, it's not yellowish. And even when you have your period and like you've been drinking lots of water, it doesn't smell like period. It doesn't smell like blood. Like it doesn't smell. I don't know how to explain it, but you just have to experience it. Drink lots of water if you want to smell good. Even when you sweat, your sweat will not be as bad. Water makes everything easy. Plus, you'll not be constipated. Should I keep going on? My next tip is to always wear deodorant. See, you can wear the most expensive perfume on this earth. If you don't wear deodorant, trust me, once you leave your house, you will disgrace yourself. Oh. Okay, so always add deodorant to your everyday routine. You go in with deodorant before you add your perfume. If you have body mist, you can add it as well. But make sure you are always wearing deodorant. If you leave your house without it, you have to go to a store and buy some because your perfume won't just do it. For my next tip, there's this area that many people ignore is behind your ears. Please, you need to make it a point to be cleaning behind your ears. Take out your earrings and clean the area because there are bacteria stored there, and most of the times behind your ears it smells. If you go for days without attending to the area, without taking out your earrings to clean the area, it smells. And also your belly button. Nobody asks you to go and pierce. So if you are going to pierce, you need to be taking out whatever you put there to clean the area, clean your belly button. Okay. I have a lot of things to say. Maybe we'll have a part two. Let me know if you would like a part two. Okay. But then for my next tip, the reason why your skincare product is not working probably is because you don't exfoliate. You need to exfoliate your skin. Okay, at least once a week. Exfoliation will remove the dead skin cells and then it will allow your skincare product to penetrate and then do what it's supposed to do. So sometimes you'll be like, oh, nothing works for me. I've used this, I've used that. It just doesn't work. No, girl, you are probably not exfoliating. So please exfoliate your skin, okay? I can put you on this Dove product. I've forgotten the name, but I'll film a video and I'll add it. It works so good for me. It leaves my skin feeling very soft and looking very fresh. So, and it smells so good. So, yeah. Don't forget to never go to bed with your makeup on. And remember to wash your makeup brushes because that could also contribute to why you're getting acne. Because you use it every day, you leave it, bacterials go on there, and you put it back onto your face. So that brings me to the end of the video. Let me know if you like a part two. And I will see you in my next one. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please do that. That's the only thing that keeps me going. And comment anything down below. I love it when I see your comments and I respond to every comment. Trust me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.